another video. Your girl is coming to you live from Arizona. Yes guys, I am in Cochise County. I came here to visit my bestie Moyz. This girl moved out here in Arizona in supposed to be hot Arizona, but it turned out to be very cool Arizona this time of the year. Yeah, there's a bit of sun and there's a bit of wind, so yeah, it's a perfect climate. But you know, she was complaining to me a few weeks ago how she cold. This girl moved to Arizona without no jacket or anything because, you know, we all thought that this place would be very hot, but no. Anyway guys, too much details about Moyz. This is about us right now. So we're here in Arizona. I just came out of T-Mobile store to renew my service because your girl wants to keep in connection with her family when she travels, right? So I'm hooking up with Moyz right now. We are going to, I think we're going to go dine somewhere, not sure where exactly, but after that we want to go hiking on one of the trails. Someone suggested what that trail name again? Miller's Canyon. So that's what we're thinking about doing. But yeah, just going to freestyle this vlog. Yeah, just keep you posted. You know how I do it sometimes, just spontaneous. Yeah. Oh yeah, so just stay tuned. Just want to fill you in, let you know that I'm in Arizona. My first time here in Arizona, by the way, so yes, I kind of like it here, you know. I kind of like it here. For the past couple of days, I didn't do much. It was just a downtime for me, where I just spent some time just reflecting and of course enjoying my girl Moyz's company. I know she missed me, so I had to come here for her. Hey Moy, say hi to No Mediocre family.
Hello, No Mediocre family. It's been a while, you know, because I promised you guys.
The face cool though. Let me just.
I promised you guys that the next time you guys saw me, I would be slim and trim. So I've been hiding from the camera
look bad,
ever since because I've not attained that goal.
Give us a 360.
No,
give us a 360.
Nobody can get the face on.
Alright, let me make it for you. Let me do the 360. Yeah, idiot, you know.
Anyway, where are we going to eat?
You want to go back to the hibachi grill?
Yo man,
Mr. People. Listen guys, yesterday I went to hibachi grill and trust me, it's a lie. Went to the hibachi grill and Lamoya did a roll like 4 rounds. The people
I thought it wasn't 4, it was about 7.
A 7, you know, well, that's even worse. She went like several times and I bet like the people at the restaurant were saying, oh my god, we had what?
Yeah, they were
a greedy eater.
They were watching me, but I'm like, I don't care, this is what it's for.
Even when we were at the table, right, the girl came and gave us the bill because she thought that maybe, alright, we're about to go, but that time we were, Lamoy was maybe like on her 3rd plate, so she had to go like 4 more times. So we like glimpsed over there, saw the girl like looking over. We said, boy, the girl must say, boy, what a breed of customers. Yeah man, we had a good time there. The food was good for sure. The pastries for me at the hibachi grill wasn't all that. Yeah, wasn't all that at all.
But no offense though, hibachi is hibachi. It's not like no outstanding restaurant, but it's good for what it is.
And it's an all-you-can-eat buffet, so well, it's a win-win, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, search for where we're going. We're thinking about where to go and eat, as I said before, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, so we're going to a Chili's.
Yeah, just gonna have like an easy, simple lunch and then go hiking.
Yeah, I think we should try going to Olive Garden State. Are you into that? Yes. I love Italian food.
Yeah, I don't like Mexican food. Sorry.
You don't like Mexican food? Come on now, be specific about Mexican food. You do like tacos.
Not really.
You don't?
Not really.
I like.
Yeah.
It's starting to look decent.
All right. This girl started the day late as usual, right? Because if we're going hiking,
you just had to put that in, right? Just had to put that in.
By at least 6 o'clock in the morning and go hiking, right?
Well,
Like a lemonade, please. Just strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, I'll have the same, please. Thank you. Alright, Pete, let me tell you the truth. I did not know that I was going hiking. Moyz was talking about it a few days ago, but I did not see where the effort was there in terms of planning for us to go hiking. You get me? Because I didn't even bring like a sneakers or anything. Well, I bought one online because she was talking about possibly going hiking, but I didn't even get the sneakers, and since then she didn't say anything about it. You get me? So don't listen to her. But I have like proper, well, not proper shoes, but I have shoes that I can wear. Look, this on my foot that I'm going to go hiking in. I don't think the hike will be as strenuous as going to Blue Mountain. What? Why you look at me like that?
So when people see me in that shoes, then I will think that feels something nowhere. Tell people not to buy my shoes.
Hello, I did not borrow your shoes. I saw it and I took it off.
You come talk about you're wearing these shoes that.
It's when I like you, I don't like you. Like the whole world knows you put on your shoes. Alright guys, so we had chilies. We're gonna start off with some lemonade. Yeah. Oh, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. Turn on the post notification bell. Share this video and leave a comment. You know, let me hear you talking in the comment section. Alright? Come on, cheers.
Cheers!
Yeah.
Oh, this is
really good.
No crap. This is the best strawberry lemonade we've had since being here.
Real for real for real. Chili's doing its thing.
So far.
So far.
I am a good
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
I'd love to order this one.
So you're going straight into you're not gonna order an appetizer.
I think I might order this.
Or
we can share it. This one.
well, I don't want to buy bready, not me, no man. We come like everything had. Oh yeah, I get it.
You can order this for yourself. If you don't want any bread.
Oh, what's that? That don't look good. Oh, that's shrimp.
That doesn't look good.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. I'll get this one. Oh, there are steaks. Yeah, I think I'll get the steak. Yeah. What you say getting, Moyz?
I am getting this. What is it called? Triple dipper? Oh, triple dipper.
Alright. Alright, let's go.
And this. 4 crispers. This.
Are you that hungry? That's a lot of food, you know.
I'm gonna share this with you.
Alright, cool. Change of plans, guys. I think I'm gonna just take the crispers. Yeah, I'll have the 6 crispers. And she will have
Triple dipper.
the triple liver, all of this thing, yeah. Thanks. Yeah, that's it. Just waiting on this. I'm not gonna take the steak anymore because yeah, I don't really think I want something lighter, especially because I'm going hiking. Yeah. Bless you. Yeah. That's it.
That's okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. Yum.
Yeah. They said they dropped my burger, guys. So.
Okay, so you're gonna get burger.
I'm happy they're redoing it, and they will put it on here so for me to eat them. You know.
Yeah.
That could have happened.
Anyways, let's dig in some of this right here. Oh yeah, say our prayers first. Okay, let's bless this food, guys. You blessed your food already? I did. Let's dig in. Here you go. Can anyone go wrong on Crispers? Can anyone go wrong on Crispers? What's that you have?
I'll show you. Look.
Jesus. Girl, that's a whole lot of fat right there.
Yeah, 50 off me now. Shame.
Alright, let's enjoy some food, guys, alright?
Thank you.
Just one bite.
No.
Looks good. Just one bite. You know what, guys? You take the first bite. Good? That's good. Juicy. Tasty. A plus. Oh, it has the onions deep real more. You're gonna have to take out the onions. You won't like it.
I was going to deliver them.
Oh, no, that's okay. Everything is good.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
At least they're hot and fresh and didn't
No,
die in the window.
There is zero issue. Everything is good. Thank you. Yeah,
You could have told them the onions.
he's apologetic because they actually dropped the burgers first when coming. But that's fine.
They came out separately. Yeah, quite polite. Alright peeps, I'm full. So I'm just gonna put the rest of the food in this to-go box. And then we're gonna just get the bill. And everything comes to $38.49. You getting that more or I should get that?
Can you afford to get that?
Yeah, we just split the bill.
Please stop lying to your people.
Alright, thanks for getting this one. Well, where should we start?
I didn't bring my knife to kill any bears or snakes. I don't have anything. Yeah, I will have to do that.
Stab in the eye.
Yep.
or feed them the food that you have
You got
there.
silverware in that?
Plastic forks.
Yeah, guys, but
It's something.
I was told, so here in Arizona there are bears and all sort of stuff.
They're more so
So-
snakes though, like rattlesnakes.
Yeah, so I was told that if we're going hiking, you're not supposed to take food because it will attract the bears. So we're not gonna bring this food.
So you're gonna believe them who haven't done the hike as yet?
No, it's not them.
No, nothing to me.
No, they didn't say that. No, seriously, that's what I was briefed officially.
Oh, you were? Okay.
I would double check this out.
Yeah,
I mean, I'm kind of hungry.
So you're really gonna throw it away?
I'm not bringing it.
Why don't you put it in your bag?
You hold it.
You can't go in your bag.
I am not.
Okay, throw it away. It's a sin to throw away food though, but okay.
It's a sin to be eaten by wild animals.
So you really be there wild animals on the track? Alright. Yeah, better safe than sorry.
Confrontation. Don't surprise bears. Make noise. Hike during daylight
Sorry or
hours.
something.
Odors attract bears. Keep a clean camp. Store all food in vehicles or hide in a tree.
Oh. Okay. Alright. Remember, so I'm new to Arizona and there's certain things I don't know.
I don't even feel to go next.
So alright guys, so we just arrived at Miller's Canyon and Moyz just told us, as you heard before, that we're not supposed to go on this trail with food because there are possibly bears on this trail. And she wasn't bluffing at all. It's actually there, as you could see before. So what you want? You want to do it or not?
Look here, I think you see where the vehicle drove on the straight road to take us up? I think we should just walk.
But that's not being adventurous though.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Oh, come on man, let's just do the trail. At least 15 minutes. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
You come from Jamaica and now your face also be fearless. Alright guys, tell me, do you think that we should do this trail? Do you think so? I mean, there are possibly bears, possibly snakes, but all we have to do is run. Run if we hear any noise, right? Woo! Windy.
So what should you be doing, Chanel, whilst you're walking here? What should you be doing?
I should be vigilant.
And what else? What else?
I should be on the alert.
Vigilant and on the alert are same thing. What else?
I should communicate with you if I hear any odd noise.
Why the hell would you communicate that to me? What am I going to do if I hear
Maybe
odd
you don't
noise?
hear and then we could run.
So here's the thing.
Yes, briefly.
No, I really don't want to, because first of all, I don't want to do this trail, especially alone. You should not surprise the animals, so you should ensure that you're making noise. Lowelu, right? Because if you surprise the animals, then they will attack.
Alright, so don't surprise the animals. Make noise so that they know that there's a human approaching.
Right. So you should talk loud.
Hey!
Well, Shani, I can tell you now. I don't know how far you brought it.
Oh, that is that. Oh, urinate.
I don't want to hear that.
Oh, urinate.
Guys, I only want to know mediocre going on this trail. Not me. You hear them animals there? You must be mad.
I see you, something's near here.
Come on, come on.
Now, but I do it.
Come on.
I really need beer noise that man here. No, make your people in hear it. Not hear it. Let's walk up there, sir.
You're mad?
No, we're not going to hike. We're going to go up this a little closer.
And I know that you don't know much about animals, is it? But bears can run plenty times faster than humans.
You hear the bears?
Actually, I don't know if that's a bear or one of the other wild animals. We don't know. You can't say bear, Shani. Do you know bear sound?
Yeah, kinda.
No, baby, that.
Where?
One cub.
Hey, go closer. Come closer. Come closer now. Give me a camera. Let's go closer.
Go on, white man. Go on.
Will you call me a while ago? Will you call me a while ago?
Can you bring the knife?
So even if you have knife, you could use it? Your hand always shakes.
Can you please don't say that on camera? I don't know what the hell that means. But my hand always shakes. Come here, park him some distance. Poison ivy, something similar to what Chanel was picking off the road.
Why is that?
Car stock.
You always make it seem like me always do wrong things to them.
Well,
we're turning back because Mother Miserable over here say she not go on no trail with me alone, and she's scared of the possibilities of bears and snakes and all of that.
It's not a matter of being scared, is it? This place has bears and snakes. We don't know where we're going. We just see a trail that is leading further into the bush, and we don't know because on the map it doesn't show us where the trail ends.
Oh boy, I really wish I was able to see that waterfall at the end of the trail.
That's nice, but maybe you're going to find a waterfall anyway. Maybe it makes sense. You bow out voluntarily on your own, then a bear take you out.
See that? So we waste money come all the way up here, so?
No waste money. We can hike. We can hike in the open mountains.
Alright, security measures. We won't do the trail because of possibly wild animals like bears or snakes. Right? Because we are of course in Arizona, so anything is possible. So we will just walk along what? The main road? Yeah, but obviously there are people here who are on the trail because there are vehicles.
You don't know where they're coming from. Yeah.
Look guys, there are vehicles there, so they must be on the trail. Alright, we're not on the trail. We just walk on.
You know, like you try to make me sound like me a lame one too. But we're not doing no trail.
Oh boy. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the view of wherever we are, because we're not on the trail. I'm not gonna really push our one here still because me can run fast. So
oh shit, right, me can go for true. They did say in the brief that the slowest person would be eaten. I mean,
oh please, oh please, oh please, oh please.
No, we can go, I forgot. We can go now.
You don't like me.
I forgot to be safe, come here.
Yeah, so guys, to be honest, I'm happy that I get the chance to visit up by up here's the name again, Canyon.
It's Miller's
Canyon.
Yeah.
Miller's Canyon. I'm happy I got the chance to do so. Really but nice. I'm quite disappointed that I'm not going to be able to go on the trails. I like doing I like hiking trails. But you know, I have to take precautionary measures. I can't one life me have to live. I know say if I get eaten, I can't come back. Not true.
Maybe I can come back.
Yeah. So we just enjoy this walk on the main road.
You know that this might sound silly because probably so many other persons have taken the trail. Of course, it's a trail, right? It's on Google. But it's just full of bush, right? And the trail is it's a very narrow trail. And to the left and right is just all vegetation. And then, you know, there are snakes and everything.
Yeah.
Up here.
And it's a known thing. Arizona is known to have a lot of snakes. And when I was traveling from the airport to Sierra Vista, I remember the driver was telling me that, yeah, snakes are out these times. So Yeah, man, me not really risk it because Jamaica me come from. Me not use the snakes, me not use the bears, so better me keep my little self quiet.
I run up and down in enough bush. In Jamaica, I never see a snake yet, so.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So that's
but I mean, we're going to do it, right? But I think we're gonna get someone who's used to the area to come with us. Yeah.
We're gonna do it today. I mean,
find.
we have other things on the schedule, so might not be able to do it today. Yeah. But hopefully I can visit you again soon. But when I do visit you again here, really, you don't mean that. But if I do visit Arizona again, I really want to go to the Grand Canyon. That has been on my bucket list for quite some time now. So I want to do that and get some aerial shots for you guys, and maybe come back to Miller's Canyon. Let's see how it goes. At least we visited Miller's Canyon.
Every second I hear her, right? Like, oh, I should have brought my drone. You know, it's beautiful up here, or you know.
Yeah, so stay tuned for some awesome shots. So when I start doing some other vlogs, guys, and test on my DJI Mini 4. Yeah. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna enjoy the view. I'm not interested in really showing people.
I mean, but when you're on the train, you're not gonna find anything interesting.
Well, that's true.
The most interesting thing that you could have filmed is us being attacked by birds.
And that nah go happen. Not at all.
It's really beautiful, guys. Like the air.
Yeah.
Nature is just really great.
Indeed. So let's take in the scenery. Beautiful mountain, beautiful landscape.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself.
So guys, here it is, your girl No Mediocre stranded on the side of the road.
Yeah, it does feel like we'll be going out.
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be good bowling spots in Sierra Vista, except for on post the major point. Yeah.
So what are we gonna do for the rest of the evening, guys?
Well, we could go to the fair, but that's too far away given the time and the fact that somebody has to pack to go back home. So, guess what?
What if I cancel my flight? I could do that.
No man, go on, woman. Well, I guess what we can do is just go to another boring restaurant tonight and show that.
Well, I'm tired of the eating. Tired of the eating, to be honest. Every day I eat.
Yeah.
Just I got some restaurant. We could have gone some rides.
Yeah, that would be the fair. However, we're not doing that today, so.
That's like an hour away.
Yeah.
But yes, guys, so it's a short vlog. I basically was showing you what I was up to out here in Arizona. I didn't do much, as I said. Most of the days I spent like just keeping it down, you know, just reflecting and figuring out what my next move will be in terms of, you know, personal things, personal development. Sometimes we need those time by ourselves in solitude, stuff like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let me know. But yes, guys, so that's basically it. I'm here in Arizona, leaving back to JA because, you know, your girl gotta work to pay those bills. So yeah, stay tuned for other videos that will come out on the channel. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to be a part of the No Mediocre family, hit that subscribe button right below. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Mwah. Wait, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre. Ciao.
Meow.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not.